Hi everyone, this is Radhika and I'm going to show you today how to take care of the stiffness of your wrist muscles. So this is especially helpful because we all are in general working much around the house right now and we are using our gadgets much more. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to need a table or any flat surface to rest our wrists on. I'm going to demonstrate two easy exercises. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to use my right elbow and the left elbow is going to massage it and take care of the tender and painful spots. The most common spot that we all have is very easy to track. You're going to keep your forearm like this and you're going to run a straight line from your thumb towards your elbow. And you stop right on top of your elbow. So I'm going to use my other elbow and I'm going to dig it in over here till I feel tenderness or pain around that spot right here. Now, you don't have to dig too deep if it's not comfortable. You can just move your elbow front and back like that. And once you're done repeating that 4 to 5 times, you can move towards your elbow. Towards your thumb. Like that. And right again. Very easy. So you can put as much pressure as it is comfortable for you. That's all. And then I'm going to start going back towards the tender spot where we started from. And this time around, it may be easier for you to take much more pressure from your elbow. All right. And if you find any spot throughout the course of your muscle length, which is much more tender or gives you tingling or shock-like sensations, you can give that a pass and just move forward. So this takes care of all those strained, overused muscles because of typing a lot and just in general using our phones, laptops. There you go. So I did it 2 to 3 times and I am managing the pressure each time depending on how much I can tolerate. And then you just want to relax it and then just see how it feels. It will be slightly sore, that's for sure. You're going to see some redness, some warmth. It's absolutely common to do so. Now, in case you don't want to use the elbow of the other side, there's another easier way to do this. You can just take a tennis ball, you can take a lacrosse or a racket ball, and we can just use that instead. I prefer to use a sock in case you have a sensitive skin and you don't want to directly put the ball on your wrists. There you go. Now this is going to be very easy. I'm just going to grab the ball and just use it to pressurize all those tender spots on my forearm. And I'm using the same direction of movement. I'm going front and back along the length of my forearm and then I'm going back. Very easy. All right, the reason I'm doing that is most of your muscles are aligned like that or diagonally. So this in a perpendicular direction kind of is perfect to take out all those tension from those tight muscles. All right. Now, so this takes care of the top part of your wrist and forearm muscles. What about the under part? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to use the ball this time and you're going to keep it under the elbow and you're going to gently rock it front and back around those tender spots. Pretty easy. There you go. And then again, you can just do this 2 to 3 times, not exceeding 4 to 5 seconds at each spot. If you can tolerate more pressure, if you can tolerate that, that's absolutely all right, but it totally depends on you. Also, make sure you're breathing, you're not holding your breath. That makes it even more difficult and that kind of defeats the whole purpose of relaxing your muscles. That's it, pretty easy. So you can do it the same way on the other side. Just use your elbows here and like I showed, the ball for the other side. All right, have fun. Bye.